Hey guys, welcome back to itsPriscillaMarie. Today I really wanted to use the Summer Nights eyeshadow palette from JUNO Co. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's go ahead and get started. As always, you're going to go ahead and apply your favorite eyeshadow primer. I am using the P. Louise eyeshadow primer and blending out with a sponge. Now I'm going to go directly into the orange shade in the palette, and I'm applying it a little bit higher than my crease, and into my crease I'm blending that out using window wiper motions. The color is extremely pigmented, but I did have to build it up to get it to the intensity that I wanted. But yeah, that's pretty much every eyeshadow palette, but go ahead and just blend that out. Side note, if you're wondering why I kept looking to the side, it's because I was totally watching the last episode of Charmed, because I'm rewatching Charmed, and it was getting really good, so I kept, eyeballing it from the corner of my eyes. Just thought I'd let you guys know that. Right now I'm going into high ground, and I'm applying that directly into the crease using the exact same brush. And I am doing window wiper motions and applying the color lightly. And gradually applying more as I go. Right now I'm going into late night and doing dabbing motions to concentrate this color in the outer corner to really help smoke out the look. And then I'm going into that purple shade again and just making sure everything blends out seamlessly. Alright, now I went in with the NYX glitter glue, and I'm applying that to the front part of my eyelid and applying a little bit higher into my crease to cut the crease. And then I am going in with Skywalker, which is that beautiful blue shade, and I am slightly cutting the crease and applying it to the inner portion of the eyelid. Now I'm going into Purple Rain, and I'm continuing applying it to the center of that lid, doing dabbing motions. I had barely any fallout. I was beyond impressed, and no, I did not wet my brush. Right now I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. I'm using the L'Oreal primer, and then I'm going to follow that with the Better Than Sex mascara. And I did apply my wing eyeliner from Sephora, and also tightline and waterlined my eyeballs. I feel like you guys are tired of that, so I just kind of skipped it. Right, and then to highlight my inner corners, I decided to go in with Maybelline highlighter to really finish out the look. And I did apply mascara to my lower lash line. Alright, and that is pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys oh so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, side notes, if you want to save 10%, go ahead and use the code Priscilla. Thank you guys. Mwah.
The world won't stop, so we won't stop neither. Gotta go sunlight, and we face them with no fear. And it's always on.